Welcome, friends, to Learning Spanish. Bienvenidos, amigos. Today, we have an exciting lesson for you beginners, the Spanish vowels and Spanish alphabet. Learning the alphabet is the foundation of any language, and in this video, we'll teach you how to pronounce each letter in Spanish by syllables as well. Let's get started. The Spanish vowels are the same 5 vowels we have in the English language: A, E, I, O, U. In this video, I will be covering the sound each vowel makes in Spanish, followed by the Spanish alphabet. To start off, the vowels are called las vocales in Spanish. Let's go through them. A. A make the A sound. Repeat after me. A. Very good. Now the I makes the E sound. Repeat after me. E. Very good. Now the I makes the I sound. Repeat after me. I. Very good. Now the O makes the O sound. Repeat after me. O. Very good. Now the U makes the U sound. Repeat after me. U. Very good. Excellent. Now we'll move on to the Spanish alphabet. First things first, the Spanish alphabet consists of 27 letters, one more than the English alphabet. The extra letter is called the ñ, illustrated in green with the arrow pointing to it. Let's take a look at the Spanish alphabet as a whole. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. As you can see, most of the letters are quite similar to English, but there are some differences in pronunciation. Let's go through them one by one. Let's get started. The letter A sounds like A. Say it with me. A. Now, let's say it in an example. Aguacate, avocado. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. A. Aguacate. Very good. The letter B sounds like B. Say it with me. B. Now, let's say it in an example. Banco, bank. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. B, banco. Very good. The letter C sounds like C. Say it with me. C. Now let's say it in an example. Casa, house. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. C, casa. Very good. The letter D sounds like D. Say it with me. D. Now let's say it in an example. Dinero, money. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. De dinero. Very good. The letter E sounds like E. Say it with me. E. Now let's say it in an example. Elefante, elephant. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. E. Elefante. Very good. The letter F sounds like F. Say it with me. F. Now let's say it in an example. Flores. Flowers. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. F. Flores. Very good. The letter G sounds like G. Say it with me. G. Now let's say it in an example. Gato. Cat. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. G. Gato. Very good. The letter H is pronounced H. Remember, the H in Spanish is silent. Say it with me. H. Now let's say it in an example. Hombre. Man. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. H. Hombre. Very good. The letter I is pronounced E. Say it with me. E. Now, let's say it in an example. Isla. Island. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. Isla. Very good. The letter J is pronounced J. Say it with me. J. Now, let's say it in an example. Jirafa. Giraffe. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. J. Jirafa. Very good. The letter K is pronounced K. Say it with me. K. Now, let's say it in an example. Karate. Karate. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. K. Karate. Very good. The letter L is pronounced L. Say it with me. L. Now let's say it in an example. Libro. Book. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. L. Libro. Very good. The letter M is pronounced M. Say it with me. M. Now let's say it in an example. Manzana. Apple. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. M. Manzana. Very good. The letter N is pronounced N. Say it with me. N. Now let's say it in an example. Naranja. Orange. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. N. Naranja. Very good. The letter ñ is pronounced ñ. Say it with me. Ñ. Now let's say it in an example. Ñame. Yam. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. Ñ. Ñame. Very good. The letter O is pronounced O. Say it with me. O. Now let's say it in an example. Oso. Bear. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. O. Oso. Very good. The letter P is pronounced P. Say it with me. P. Now let's say it in an example. Perro. Dog. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. P. Perro. Very good. The letter Q is pronounced Q. Say it with me. Q. Now let's say it in an example. queso, cheese. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. Q, queso. Very good. The letter R is pronounced R. Say it with me. R. Now let's say it in an example. Reloj, watch, like a wristwatch. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. R. Reloj. Very good. The letter S is pronounced S. Say it with me. S. Now, let's say it in an example. El sol, the sun. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. S. El sol. Very good. The letter T is pronounced T. Say it with me. T. Now let's say it in an example. Tigre, tiger. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. T. Tigre. Very good. The letter U is pronounced U. Say it with me. U. Now let's say it in an example. Uvas, grapes. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. U. Uvas. Very good. The letter V is pronounced V. Say it with me. V. Now let's say it in an example. Vaca, cow. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. V. Vaca. Very good. The letter W is pronounced W. Say it with me. W. Now let's say it in an example. Whiskey, whiskey. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. W. Whiskey. Very good. The letter X is pronounced X. Say it with me. X. Now let's say it in an example. Xilófono, xylophone. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. X. Xilófono. Very good. The letter Y is pronounced Y. Say it with me. Y. Now say it in an example. Yogur, yogurt. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. Y. Yogur. Very good. The letter Z is pronounced Z. Say it with me. Z. Now let's say it in an example. Zapato, shoe. Okay, one more time. Say it with me. Z. Zapato. Very good. Congratulations, amigos! You have concluded the Spanish alphabet. You did great! Before you go, one more thing, amigos. If you're looking to speak Spanish fluently for your business or just for pleasure, click the link in the description box below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to be notified when the next video is released. ¡Hasta luego, amigos!